Good Friday evening to you. Richard Scott here with the forecast update. We are all quiet across Alabama tonight. Things are pretty active to the west of Alabama. Numerous tornado warnings and tornado reports, even some damaging winds and hail reports to the west. But as that activity comes in here tomorrow, we'll deal with some issues here locally. Here's a look at radar, 9:50 on this Friday night. Things all quiet across the state. We do have mostly clear sky currently in the Tuscaloosa area. Temperature 75. Pretty warm for this time of the evening, and that southerly component to the wind bringing moisture north. It will feel pretty muggy overnight tonight. Temperatures are still in the 70s in Demopolis, 74 there, and it's in the cooler spot at 63. Birmingham reporting low 70s as well, and again, see those cooler readings to the east, and even there, that's not overly cold or anything, but the temperatures are a bit different there. To the west, what a mess today. We've got numerous severe weather issues ongoing. Several large tornadoes reported back over portions of Arkansas today. Had some tornado reports back in Oklahoma and Texas, and severe thunderstorm issues as well. Again, this will all move into a squall line, and that's beginning to take shape now. You see how the storm's becoming more linear over Arkansas and Texas. That will happen, and that's what moves in here tomorrow. More of a squall line will move into Alabama. Here's our FUTURECAST take you into this event. Let me show you what's going to happen because we've got storms coming towards Alabama. Here's 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice things are pretty quiet for the most part, but there's your active storms to the west over Mississippi. Those move on through. Here's 5 o'clock. Storms will be impacting the metros of Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, down towards Livingston and Demopolis. Strong straight line winds, a good possibility of those storms. 8 o'clock. Still ongoing across west and central Alabama. I notice east Alabama is still kind of missing out on the action for at that point, but the storms will roll on through there. They will be weakening, by the way, after about 10 p.m. Storms really start to decrease in intensity in east Alabama. Showers ongoing until about 8 o'clock Sunday morning. Then the rain is gone, with dry weather moving in Sunday afternoon. Still some clouds around. The highest risk of severe weather on Saturday is going to be happening again over west Alabama. Again, in that area, we could see damaging winds, possibly some quarter-size hail, maybe a few isolated tornadoes and flash flooding. 12 noon through 9 o'clock Saturday night's the time frame for west Alabama. East Alabama, east of Interstate 65, we're looking at 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. again Saturday night. In terms of the risk, the highest potential of severe issues coming from damaging straight line winds and flooding, flash flooding a concern. There is also a chance for up to quarter-size hail and a few isolated tornadoes. I think there's a good possibility we're going to have a tornado watch tomorrow, and there could be a few tornado warnings as well. So keep in mind, make sure you have a source of weather information as we go through this event tomorrow in case your area is issued under tornado warning. Here we go for the rain amounts. Generally 2 to 4 inches across most of central and west Alabama. There's going to be an area, though, that could see over 4 inches of rain, I think, in west Alabama. That's where those flash flooding issues could be concerned. And the Tuscaloosa Regional Air Show thunderstorms on Saturday, especially between noon and 9 p.m. Again, some of those will be strong to severe. Sunday will be cooler and drier. A forecast tonight against 60s. Tomorrow, thunderstorms coming in. Very windy tomorrow, even outside of the storms. Winds could gust as high as 30 to 35 out of the south with a tight pressure gradient. Notice the dry weather coming in by Monday and Tuesday. Sunshine back. Pretty chilly, though, Monday morning and Tuesday morning. And we warm up nicely by the middle of next week.